A surprise meeting between popular TikTok star Peller and gospel singer Moses Bliss has gone viral after the two met at Veekee James' 30th birthday party in Lekki, Lagos. Peller, whose real name is Habib Hamzat, and Moses Bliss were among the many celebrities who attended the fashion designer's glamorous event. Other stars at the party included Iyabo Ojo, Papaya X, Spyro, and Nonce Mirage. In a short video shared online, Moses Bliss was excited to meet Peller and praised his TikTok videos. But many people noticed that Peller didn't seem to know who Moses Bliss was. Even though he didn't recognize the gospel singer, Peller stayed polite and respectful. He even took time to explain to Moses Bliss what Twitch is and how live streaming works. Fans quickly reacted online with mixed opinions. Some people said it's okay not to know every celebrity, while others joked that Peller should learn more about famous people in Nigeria.
Helping the poor, even by the way, no poor is helping. Yeah. See, W Michi, guys, W Michi. Everybody, W Michi. Hey, I'm here with Michi. Give me a sec. I don't know who big pass. Let me stay with you. They come. I'm coming, Michi. Give me a sec. Good to see you, sir.
God bless you.
Amen.
Well done for everything.
Yes, sir.
This is amazing.
Amen.
I see you all the time on TikTok.
Oh, really? Thank you. Why you? Me and you, which dress go for? My own? My own. They say they will give hairdresser money, big money. So I'm willing to take the money home. Yes. Let me wear my glass. Look at me. I'm looking straight.
Yeah.
Daddy. Yeah.
Hello.
Okay. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah. What is that? Oh. You don't know? That is Twitch.
Twitch, what's that?
It's a streaming platform. People streaming there. Yeah,
I don't know about it.
I'm a streamer. You know streamer?
No,
Streamer. It's only concept so you people know. It's a streamer. I'm talking about streamer. I'm a streamer.
okay,
So
you go live.
yeah, live. I'm going with live. If anything, if you want, you want me to go inside? Okay.
In the same vein, Peller, also known for his comic way, was praised for his humility and respect. As this story continues to trend, we will supply you more trending news updates. You can as well share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.